Hi and welcome to Steam Powered Family. Today we're doing a really quick and easy Halloween Luminary project. We're going to gather up some simple supplies, we're doing lots of recycling, and we're going to make this really cute little guy. So the first thing we're going to do is take an old Pringles can. Here's a little insider tip. If you have the Halloween sized ones, that you use for trick-or-treating, you don't need to do this step because it's already a really great size. You just need to trim the top off, or the bottom off in this case. But what we're going to do, since we have a full-size one, is we're measuring it down 5.5 centimeters, and then we're just going to cut that top off. Now we're going to take, it's just the side of a cereal box we've got here, and we're going to trace the top of the can, so we've got a nice circle, and we're going to cut that circle out just so we can make our own little ceiling bottom on it. So we're going to give that a little trim. And with this experiment, we're playing a lot with light and shadow, so it's a great little addition to your science class. Now make some little holes in it using a hole punch, and then we're also going to use the hole punch in a little bit here to make holes down the sides of the can as well. And this is what's going to allow the light to come out and create our beautiful designs. Now, we want to make marks because we're making a little spider, so we need anchor points for his legs or her legs. So you want to mark on either side 4 spots, and then we're going to go and put holes in those spots using an owl or a skewer. Make sure that they're big enough to get the pipe cleaners in, but they still stay nice and snug. So we're going to test it here, and they stay really well. Now, you can paint your canister. We recommend black, so you have a nice black spider, and you also paint the top. And we're going to go and just take some glue here, and we're going to glue the top on. And you can add a little weight here just so it dries nice and cleanly in place and doesn't lift at all. So turn it upside down like that, and then just let it set for about 5 minutes. Now we're going to add the legs in, and you want to bend the legs so you end up with a nice little knee and ankle and foot, so your spider can stand up when we're done. And then you're going to add a little bit of glue. We're using super glue here. You can use white glue as well. Just make sure it dries really well and sets before you turn over your spider. And then once it's turned over, adjust your legs to make sure that your spider will stand up and he's nice and balanced. Perfect. Now we're going to give our spider a little bit of character and personality by adding some googly eyes. And then you can grab a white Sharpie, draw on a little face, a little mouth there, and any other designs that your students would like to do. Now we're going to grab some fairy lights. These are LED fairy lights, and we're going to turn it on and just slide it into the compartment here of the body. And then you're just going to take the lid and stick it on, flip it over, and there you go. We've got our little spider luminaries. This is a fantastic project to do for Halloween to explore balance, but also light and shadow, and we've got those science lessons up on the website that you can check out at the link below. Happy Halloween from the entire team here at Steam Powered Family. Bye for now.